Gonna have 2016 Absolute. Gonna have 3 autos, 2 jerseys, 3 mini boxes. Alright, 1, 2, 3 mini boxes. Let's see how I open these. There we go. There is pack 1. Over excessive packaging on these. Pack 2. And pack 3. Alright. 2016 Panini Absolute. 3 packs, 5 hits. 3 autos and 2 jerseys it's going to be. Alright, see if there is a base on the back. Peel it to the front. Alright, got a Joe Montana for the Niners. Out of 100. Nice one for the Niners. Joe Montana, numbered out of 100. Got a Russell Wilson base card for the Seahawks. Russell Wilson base. Got a Unsung Heroes. Adam Vinatieri for the Colts. Unsung Heroes. Die cut. I don't think that's going to be numbered. Unsung Heroes die cut, not numbered. For the Colts. Ooh, nice. Congratulations. You have pulled a redemption card good for a glass insert of Paxton Lynch. 1 per case. Nice. We hit one of these in the past, or Russell Wilson. Got a nice insert. Glass. Case hit. This one is, can't read it, Paxton Lynch for the Broncos. Maybe it'll come up better on the back. Glass insert. Paxton Lynch. Case hit. Very nice. Paxton Lynch. Glass insert. I don't think that counts as a hit either. Very nice. And then a decoy. And then another hit. This one's an auto jersey. Auto jersey ball jersey. For the Rams, Pharaoh Cooper. Numbered out of 499. Pharaoh Cooper for the Rams out of 499. Nice auto. Gridiron cards. Let's pack 1 down. Can't complain about a case hit in 1 pack. Alright, peel the base card off the back. Oh, that is an auto. I'll put that one back. I got a Jason Witten for the Cowboys. Jonathan Stewart for the Panthers. And a rookie. DeMarcus Ayers for the Steelers at a 499. DeMarcus Ayers. Steelers at a 499. And now the hits. I got a Keenan Reynolds. Oh, nice patch. Patch for the Ravens. Keenan Reynolds, numbered out of 25. I know his cards were selling good for a minute because he was from Navy. I don't think they are so much anymore. What a nice looking patch. Keenan Reynolds out of 25. Patch and the auto. I already saw it because I snuck it. Thought it was a base card in the back. For the Redskins, Kendall Fuller, auto, numbered out of 250. Kendall Fuller autograph for the Redskins out of 250. Alright. Just one pack left. Should have an auto and a jersey. Feels kind of thin. Got a Le'Veon Bell franchise tag base card. Le'Veon Bell. Barack Osweiler with the Texans base card. Barack O. Got a parallel. For the Niners, Jerry Rice, numbered out of 499. Nice one, goes with the Joe Montana from earlier. Jerry Rice out of 499. And this should be some hits. Auto, oh nice. For the Jags, got a Miles Jack out of 25. Nice one for the Jags, Miles Jack, numbered out of 25. Pretty nice. And it's going to be a dual jersey for the Bills. Shady McCoy and Sammy Watkins, numbered out of 149. Shady and Sammy. Bills out of 149. And that does it.